Okay, dear students, good morning. How are you all? Again, today we are going to continue our same chapter number 12. Birbil catches the thief. Okay, how he used his intelligence, his wisdom, his mind, his idea to catch the thief easily. Okay, so I hope that you have read this chapter, this play fully 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so that each and every line and each and every word's meaning you should know. Okay, and who said these words to whom and why did he say this to anybody. So like that, these type of extra questions can be made from out of the chapter, within the chapter, and any extra question can be asked in your exams. So that's why I am suggesting you that you have enough time at your home this nowadays. Okay, you don't have to go school, you don't have to go anywhere, so you have enough time, so you can do it at your home easily. So now we are going to discuss the question answers. If you have studied this play, read this play 4-5 times, so I am sure that you would be able to give the answers of the questions. Okay, so on page number 113 there are some questions asked. We are going to solve these questions. Okay, first, exercise A, complete these sentences. Okay, if you remember the chapter full, you can easily complete these sentences. So these sentences I have made the question answers already. These notes I have made for you, so I will give you in the group, WhatsApp group, so that you can copy that into your notebooks. But before you copy or note it down, try to understand, okay, why this answer is correct and how these answers are correct. So we are going to discuss. I am going to explain you what are the correct answers. Okay, so page number 113, exercise A, complete these sentences. Some sentences are incomplete, we have to complete them. People came to Akbar. People came to Akbar with their problems. With their problems, because लोग अकबर के पास अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स लेकर आते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि. So if you read this first line of the page number 108, if you read these lines, so you will find your answer. Minister 1 says, Jahanpana, there are many people waiting to see you outside the palace. There are many people waiting for you to see you. See you means to meet you. They want to tell you about their problems. They are here to tell you about their problems. They have a lot of faith in your wisdom. In your wisdom they have deep faith, a lot of faith. बहुत भरोसा है उनको आपकी बुद्धिमानी पर. And want you to solve their problems. That's why they have come here, because they wanted their problems to be solved out by you. So if you see here and you want to complete this sentence, the people came to Akbar with their problems because they have, they had means past tense, have, had, past tense, था, उनको था. They had faith in Akbar's wisdom. They had faith in Akbar's wisdom. अकबर की बुद्धिमानी में उनको बहुत भरोसा था. That's why they come. Second sentence, Akbar looked worried because. Akbar looked sad, worried, tension. So why was he so worried? इतने चिंतित क्यों था? So if you can see, to complete, what was the reason? Because his diamond ring was stolen, चोरी हो गई थी. So someone had stolen his diamond ring. So we can complete the line that Akbar looked worried because someone had stolen his diamond ring. Or you can say because his diamond ring was stolen. In both way you can complete the sentence. Third sentence. Birbal suspected means शक करना, है ना, डाउट करना. तो बिरबल को डाउट हुआ. Birbal suspected one of the servants to be the thief because बिरबल को ऐसा शक क्यों हुआ कि ये 6 सर्वेंट में से ही कोई ना कोई चोर है. Why he was in doubtful situation, why he doubted, or why Birbal suspected one of the servant to be the thief. Because if you remember the story, what happened? Only palace servant, only the personal servants of the emperor kings can go into the chamber, okay, king's chamber. So, and Birbal also found one knife which was generally carried by the palace servants only. So that's why he suspected. So complete the sentence. Birbal suspected one of the servants to be the thief because Birbal saw, SAW, saw means देखा था, see, saw, seen, है ना, 3 forms of the verb, see, saw, seen. So Birbal saw, Birbal ने देखा था, a knife, चाकू, खंजर, a knife in Akbar's chamber, which was generally carried by the palace servants, which was generally or usually carried by the palace servants only. So that's why he doubted, suspected on the servants, palace servants. Fourth sentence. The servant took the ring because, the servant stole the ring because उसने ring चुरा ली थी. क्यों? Because he was tempted. Because he was tempted. Tempted means मन में लालच आ जाना और चुरा लेना. He was tempted to because of the beauty and the price of that diamond ring. So that's why he was tempted. So you can complete the line. The servant took the ring because he was tempted. मन में लालच आ गया था. Okay, exercise B. Answer these questions. Now let us discuss the question answers. Okay. First question is, who was Birbal? Who was Birbal? So if you go through the introduction of the Akbar is given here. Before you read, if you read here, the answer is given here. Birbal was a minister in Akbar's court. Birbal was a minister in Emperor Akbar's court, and he was known for his intelligence, wit and sharp observations. That is the answer written here. Okay, who was Birbal? Birbal was a minister in Akbar's court and he was known for means जाना जाता था, famous था वो. He was known for, वो famous था, for his intelligence, wit and sharp observation. Sharp observation, बहुत बारीकी से किसी चीज को वो देखता था. Question number 2. What did the second minister slyly suggest? Why did he do so? Slyly means धूर्तता करना, किसी को फंसाने के लिए, है ना, मन में बुरे बुरे इंटेंशन लेकर के उसे बदला निकालने की भावना से. So slyly. What did the second minister slyly suggest? Suggest to whom? Suggested to Akbar, King Akbar. Answer is, the second minister slyly suggested. Suggest सजेस्टेड, सेकेंड फॉर्म पास्ट फॉर्म, सजेस्टेड किया था, सजेस्ट किया था, स्लाइली सजेस्टेड दैट बीरबल कुड सॉल्व, बीरबल कुड सॉल्व, वही सॉल्व कर सकता था, इवन द ट्रिकिएस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स, इवन द difficult, most trickiest problems he could solve. Now the second half question, why did he do so? Do so मतलब ऐसा क्यों किया उसने, सेकेंड मिनिस्टर ने स्लाइली सजेस्ट ऐसा क्यों किया उसने? सिंपल आंसर, बिकॉज ही वॉज जेलस ऑफ बीरबल एंड ही वॉन्टेड टू मेक हिम ट्रबल. सो ही डिड सो, do so past tense, did so, do did, उसने ऐसा किया था. he did so, उसने ऐसा किया था, because क्योंकि he wanted to put बीरबल in trouble, because he wanted वो चाहता था, he wanted to put बीरबल into trouble, he wanted to put बीरबल in trouble, वो उसको परेशानी में डालना चाहता था, परेशान करना चाहता था बीरबल को. So that's why he suggested the king that this case should be handed over to Birbal, because Birbal can solve this case. Any case he can solve. Third question. What did Birbal find under the emperor's bed? Under the emperor's bed. उनके गद्दे के नीचे क्या मिला था? बीरबल जब उनके रूम में गया था तो what did he find under the emperor's bed? बिस्तर के नीचे उनको क्या मिला था? Do you remember? What did he find? Birbal found. Now we are telling the answer in past tense. So find, found. Find, found, found. So present simple, now past simple. Present, past, found. बीरबल फाउंड, बीरबल को मिला था अ नाइफ, खंजर, अंडर द एम्परर्स बेड, विच वॉज जस्ट लाइक द वंस कैरीड बाय द पैलेस सर्वेंट्स. और वो खंजर किसके जैसा दिखाई देता था? सेम लाइक द वंस विच इज कैरीड बाय द पैलेस सर्वेंट, जो कि पैलेस सर्वेंट के पास ही होता है, ऐसा ही खंजर उनको वहां पे मिला था, है ना. कैरीड बाय मतलब वो हमेशा यहाँ पे खोस करके अपने यहाँ पे फंसा करके रखते थे दुपट्टे में. कैरीड बाय द पैलेस सर्वेंट. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड बीरबल कैच द थीफ? नाउ दिस answer could be long because we had to explain all the points. How did he use his mind and what did he tell to servants to do? So we have to explain the full plan which was made by the Birbal. How did Birbal catch the thief? बीरबल ने कैसे उसको पकड़ लिया था, कैसे उस चोर को पकड़ लिया था? ओके, कैच. So first step, Birbal called the palace servants. Birbal called, उसने बुलवाया the palace servants and gave, or gave means दिया, gave, given, give देना, gave दिया था. बीरबल कॉल्ड द पैलेस सर्वेंट्स एंड गेव ईच ऑफ देम, हर किसी को, एक एक को, अ स्टिक, ईच ऑफ देम अ स्टिक, one stick to each of them. He told them that, who told? Birbal told to the servants that the sticks were magical, that these sticks were मैजिकल, वो जादुई छड़ियां थी लकड़ी की. एंड ओनली द थीफ्स स्टिक, सिर्फ चोर के पास वाली जो लकड़ी है, सिर्फ वो ही वुड ग्रो बढ़ जाएगी, एन इंच, 1 इंच ज्यादा लंबी हो जाएगी, at the night. Okay. He knew that. He knew. Know, knew, known. जानना, know means जानना, knew means जानता था, and known means जान चुका था. ठीक है. So here he knew, उसको मालूम था, वो जानता था. कौन जानता था? बिरबल जानता था. That कि the real thief would tamper with the stick. The real thief would tamper. Tamper means छेड़छाड़ करेगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो उसमें हरकत करेगा वो. उसको उसकी हाइट कम करने के लिए कुछ तो वो छेड़छाड़ करेगा. सो ही न्यू, वो जानता था, बीरबल पहले ही जानता था कि जो रियल चोर होगा वो जरूर कुछ ना कुछ करेगा लकड़ी के साथ. विद द स्टिक. एंड ही वॉज राइट. और उसने जो सोचा था वो सही में भी हुआ. उसने सही में उसके साथ छेड़छाड़ की थी. द थीफ सर्वेंट कट ऑफ his stick an inch. थीफ सर्वेंट, चोर वाला जो सर्वेंट था, he cut off his stick. उसने जानबूझ के 1 इंच की लकड़ी काट दी. And he was caught. कैच का सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है कैच, caught, पकड़ा गया. And he was caught, और वो पकड़ा गया. So this was the plan. How did Birbal catch the thief? In this way, Birbal caught the thief. Next question. How did Akbar reward Birbal? Reward, इनाम दिया. कैसे इनाम दिया उसको? क्या इनाम दिया? How did Akbar reward Birbal? अकबर ने बिरबल को कैसा इनाम दिया? क्या इनाम दिया? Do you remember what was the reward? 50 gold coins. Akbar rewarded. So Akbar rewarded Birbal with 50 gold coins. You can see in the picture. Akbar is giving these gold coins to Birbal. So Akbar rewarded Birbal with 50 gold coins. 50 सोने के सिक्के दिए. Okay, next exercise. Read these lines from the play. This is not a story, this is a play. So read these lines from the play and answer the questions that follow. After each line, 2-3 questions are asked. So first we read, let's read the line. The first line is given. In fact, I even asked my most trusted guard to look for it. In fact, वास्तव में, रियल में, I even asked my most trusted guard, सबसे भरोसेमंद मैंने अपने नौकर को भी बोला था, to look for it, उसको रूम में ढूंढने के लिए डायमंड रिंग. No one could find it. लेकिन no one, कोई को भी वो मिला नहीं, कोई उसको ढूंढ ही नहीं पाया. फाइंड मीन्स ढूंढना, कुड मतलब सका, कोई ढूंढ ही नहीं सका. नो वन कुड फाइंड इट. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द स्पीकर? Who said these lines? That's why I am telling you again and again that you should read the full play at least 4 or 5 times, so that you can learn, yes, this was said by this to this person. So like that. In fact, I even asked my most trusted guard to look for it. No one could find it. Do you remember who said this? Who is the speaker? किसने बोला ये बात? Yes, the Emperor Akbar. The Emperor Akbar is the speaker. Akbar is the speaker. He said these things. What could no one find? What could no one find? क्या नहीं मिल रहा था लोगों को? कौन क्या नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे थे सब लोग? So no one could find Akbar's diamond ring. Okay. No one could find Akbar's diamond ring, which was gifted by his own father. Next question. Who was finally charged with the task of finding it? Who was finally charged? Now here, try to understand. Charge देना, charge लेना. Charge means responsibility, case दिया जाना. Who was finally given the case to handle to find out this ring? Who was finally charged? Charged मतलब उसको चार्ज दिया गया, सौंपा गया ये काम. With the task. Task means work, job of finding it. Finding मतलब ढूंढने का काम किसको फाइनली दिया गया कि ये कौन ढूंढ के बताएगा ये रिंग. सो फाइनली हु वॉज चार्ज्ड, किसको ये चार्ज मिला था ढूंढने का? आंसर, बीरबल वॉज फाइनली चार्ज्ड विद द टास्क ऑफ फाइंडिंग इट. मीन्स in place of who, you have to remove who and you have to fit Birbal. So Birbal was finally charged with the task of finding it. Okay. Second line, again one more line is given here. Birbal, don't waste our time. Birbal, don't waste our time. Then question is, why did the speaker say that Birbal was wasting their time? Now first try to remember who said this line. Birbal, don't waste our time. So let's see in the book. If you go on page number 111, here, if you see, you will find the answer here. Yes, Minister 4. Minister 4 said this. Birbal, don't waste our time. How is this going to tell you who the thief is? So Minister 4 was the speaker. So what is the question? Why did speaker, means why did Minister 4 say that Birbal was wasting their time? Why he thought so? He was thinking that he is wasting the time. Because when Birbal told the servants to lay their sticks in a line in front of the court, all the 6 sticks in a line equal manner. When he said to do this, so the minister number 4 said that how is this going to tell you and what the game you are playing here? How you would know by seeing the sticks? You are wasting our time. Okay, so when Birbal told the servants to lay down their sticks in a line, the 4th minister couldn't understand. He couldn't understand why he is saying so. So he couldn't understand how Birbal going to catch the thief by doing so. By doing this, how he is going to manage. That's why he said so. इसीलिए तो उसने ये बात बोली. उसको समझ में ही नहीं आया कि क्या कर रहा है बिरबल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. वेयर वॉज द स्पीकर एट दिस पॉइंट? जब ये बात बोली गई तो स्पीकर कहां था? वेयर ही वॉज? द स्पीकर मीन्स मिनिस्टर नंबर 4. ही वॉज स्टिल प्रेजेंट इन द अकबर्स कोर्ट. He was also present there in the Akbar's court. Everyone were there in the Akbar's court at this point of time. Was Birbal really wasting their time? Explain. Was Birbal really wasting their time? I don't think he was wasting time because finally he caught the thief. No, Birbal was not wasting their time. In fact, he had thought of a plan. Thought of a plan means उसने अपने दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ प्लान बना के रखा हुआ था to catch the thief, and he was implementing on the same. He was implementing means he was working on that plan. According to that plan, वो तो implement कर रहा था plan को. So he was not wasting anybody's time because he was implementing on the idea which he had already planned in his mind. So these are the explanations of the question answer. Now question D, page number 114, discuss. Now we are not in a classroom, otherwise we would discuss on it. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. How does Birbals trick to catch the thief prove this? Share your views in the class. Means if you are a guilty, you will automatically do some mistake and automatically you will be caught. Okay. Listening exercise, that we cannot do without the help of projector. We need a projector for listening this. Okay, sound system are required, but at present time we are not in the classroom. Some speaking and some punctuations are given, vocabulary exercise are given, so we will do this all things in the next video. Okay, in this video I have explained you all the question answers which I will provide you, and you will note down in your CW notebook. Then these exercise will solve in the next video, and your task, some extra questions. Okay, some extra question you need to make by yourself in homework copy or rough copy. Which type of extra questions? 3 questions of like exercise B. 3 questions like exercise B means a single line, 2 line, 3 line sentence answer, and 1 question like this. Read the lines from the play. Context. One line, select any line from any part of the chapter, select one line, then make some questions, 3 questions at least. So 3 questions like this, and 1 question including A, B, C, 3 questions this. So total 6 questions. Okay, so these are the extra questions that you need to make, and I will myself I will also prepare some important questions which can be asked in the final exams. So you should try yourself, and I would give you from my side. I hope that you have already noted down all the word meanings and dictation words. Have you done it? Dictation words and word meanings that you should note down in a table, in the form of table. Then third thing is question answer. So in your notebook, exercise A is also to be written. Okay, complete this sentence. That is also it should be also noted down. This should be noted down. This should be noted down. Okay, all these things should be noted down in CW notebook. Then some speaking and vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar portion will do in the next video, and some extra question we will discuss some extra questions also. Okay, so till then, take rest and take care. Bye. Good day.